Good morning. It's 10 in the morning and we have started from Jaisalmer towards Jodhpur. It is at a distance of 275 kilometers from here. With a heavy heart, we said goodbye to the beautiful city of Jaisalmer and moved on towards Jodhpur. Jodhpur will be our last and final stop in our Rajasthan 2.0 trip. We shall be staying in Jodhpur for the next 2 nights. Luckily, we spotted one ship of the desert on the highway. On going forward a few more kilometers, we spotted more camels walking on both sides of the road. It was indeed a very pleasant sight to see these beautiful animals. We are currently 50 kilometers outside of Jodhpur. We have stopped here at this hotel for our lunch, and after that we'll start off again for Jodhpur. One information I would like to give you: there are police patrol vehicles on the roads between Jaipur and Bikaner and Jaisalmer and Jodhpur. So they monitor your speeds, and the speed limit on these roads are 80 kilometers. So today I was unlucky. I was maintaining a speed of 80, but somehow on one part of the road it became 82 and they caught me and fined me 1000 rupees. So I requested the policeman to let me go because it was a question of only 2 kilometers per hour. But unfortunately the policeman was abiding by the laws, and I liked him. I liked it very much that he was strict to me and he was following the laws. So I had to pay 1000 rupees. And the most interesting part after that is that the policeman offered me tea after getting the fine. So I thanked him and I drank a tea worth rupees 1000. So this is the most expensive tea I have ever had till now. And he also informed me that this overspeeding fine was till before COVID it was 400 rupees, and after COVID the government has increased it to 1000 rupees. So be very careful while driving on these stretches of the road. Maintain speed and drive carefully. As before, we got excellent roads for this journey as well. Standing in front of the Mandor Garden entrance. We reached Jodhpur right now, and instead of going to the hotel, we decided that we come and see one spot. So we have come to one of the most important spots in Jodhpur. It is outside Jodhpur in Mandor. So it is the Mandor Udyan or Mandor Gardens. So if you come by your car, they have a small parking outside of the park and they charge you rupees 20 per vehicle. Entry into this Mandor Garden is free for all and there are no tickets. Mandor Garden is a suburb historical town located 9 km north of Jodhpur city. This place is known as the birthplace of Ravana's wife Mandodari. Mandor was the capital of the erstwhile princely state of Marwar before moving to Mehrangarh Fort in Jodhpur. Visit to the Mandor Garden is a must. This park has many beautiful architectures, many temples and a samadhi as well. So you should come here, spend some time. It usually takes around 1 hour 30 minutes to view this park if you are interested to see all the things that are there in this park. So visit to this park is a must. There is a spot at the top and it can be seen behind me. So we are going to that spot and this is the way from where we can go to that top. So from there we can see the whole of Mandor Gardens. Crossing a little pond by this footbridge to go to the top of the fort ruins. The way to the top is very picturesque. To go to this topmost position, you need to climb many stairs. So if people are there who have problems in walking or climbing up stairs, it's better not to come here. It takes quite a lot of effort to go to the top. Carry drinking water with you as you will require them while you climb up the stairs.
After a tough climb, we have finally reached the top of the Mandor Gardens and we can see the Jodhpur city around. It's a wonderful view. The kids are also enjoying. We can explore much more. It's a huge garden.
And this toddler has also climbed all the way up to this spot with this person in blue. So all of us have climbed to this top spot, and from here the Jodhpur city can be seen. It's a bird's eye view of the Jodhpur city. The historic town boasts several monuments. The now ruined Mandor Fort, with its thick walls and substantial size, was built in several stages and was once a fine piece of architecture. A huge, now ruined temple is a highlight of the fort. The outer wall of the temple depicts finely carved botanical designs, birds, animals, and planets. The Mandor Gardens, with its charming collection of temples and memorials and its high rock terraces, is another major attraction. The garden houses the chhatris or cenotaphs of many rulers of Jodhpur state. Prominent among them is the chhatri of Maharaja Ajit Singh, built in 1793. Ravan Temple is another attraction at Mandor. It is believed to be the native place of Ravan's wife, Mandodari. Ravan is treated as son-in-law among some local Brahmins. The Mandor Gardens also house a government museum, a hall of heroes, and a Hindu temple to 33 crore gods. Various artifacts and statues found in the area are housed at the museum. The Hall of Heroes commemorates popular folk heroes of the region. It contains 16 figures carved out of a single rock. Next door is a larger hall called the Temple of 33 crore gods, which houses images of various Hindu deities. We have completed our tour of the Mandor Gardens and now we are heading towards our hotel. So there are lots of things to see here: temples, fort ruins, and a museum. However, we could not enter the museum because it was already closed when we reached there at 5:15, because it closes at 5:15 only. But I would advise you to come here when you are in Jodhpur, because there are lots of things to see here, lots of interesting things, and you would love this place. So have time in your hand when you visit this place, and please visit this place. You would love it. The Mandor Garden remains open from 6 in the morning to 8 at night. So whenever you visit, keep track of your time. You should reach in between these two times. Now we have reached our hotel. It is called the Center Point Hotel. It is inside Jodhpur, the center of Jodhpur, and this building is 100 years old, more than 100 years old. Let me show you our room. So this is our room for the next 2 days. If you like this video, then please click the like button. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more travel videos in the future, and click the bell icon to receive prompt notifications whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, please share this video with others who likes to travel and explore new places.